bese niyayeka ukuphuza imali yabafana emajoyintini bese niyabaleka. Ayekho umuntu ongavela kwenzela umusa nje, nabo khona basuke bekubhekile. Ukuyeva kalastic yekani uphuza imali yabafana.
Wemantombazane into engifuna uzongitshela ngifuna ingene la emakhandeni. Lento yenu uhambe niphuza utshwala babafana emaklabhini ekubeni ningezwe bajabulisa bona iyona lento enibulalisayo. Okwazi ukuthi umfana mekuthenga utshwala eklabhini usuke expect something kuwena. Abantu abana emaklabhini ke inhliziyo zaba yifani. Khona abantu abangena nembeza mfethu abathwala nezingane zabo ababulala abantu abaphila ngokubulala abantu. So manje wena muzophuza utshwala babo mase uyacrossa hey uzohamba. So ukuthi kanjani ufuna umuzomenzisa lutho ungaphuzi utshwala bozithengele wena utshwala ngoba anqane ngeke ukuthi wena uphuza utshwala bomuntu ba 15,000 wena ukuthi simase uthi uzocrossa ubona ukuthi uzokwenzani lo muntu lo ubona ukuthi silima lo muntu engavele suwekini onikela nje ngemali lapha neklabhini uyabona hey anivukeni la emaqandeni bafethu musani lona nisibukisa izinto kuthiwa usekubula umuntu kanje kwacima kanti yini enifake engozini. Hey,
cherry tse di tjola le dipari tse yang ko dinokeng before ba ilo tuna spine. Ba ya ko dingakeng and then ba ilo tlhapa ko dinokeng after they even take someone's life. They have to now go wash in the river after taking someone's life. Then after they do that, they go to the clubs to go wash their hands. Bone motho tlhapa matsogo ka Hennessy. A tshela Hennessy mo matsogong a tlhapa matsogo. Impressing bona cherry tse senang ngondo tse. All the girls that are making noise, but they want to go to groove. They go and entertain such men in the groove. Men who wash their hands with Hennessy's. Now we must come and reason. And I saw Machita Mamodi commenting that they are scared of these men. Hey, we are not scared of these men. Let these men come to our territories. Let them come to the churches where we fellowship. They'll get out of there running. We are not the kind of pastors that we saw when we were growing up. Muruta kenze patutse tletseng molora le di dust mo strateng a woka mo strateng. Nowadays, re tshwere bo Ntlantla Lux, re tshwere bo Skim GP, re tshwere bo ma Orange, re tshwere bo X, ba bo X Ripo le bo Sizokuthola. Re tshwere masole a rona go dikasi tsa rona. So e a re tshaba banna ba lona ba fethu majenza le you are saying you are scared of these men. Talk for yourselves. Let them come in our territories. Go di tlapong ke ntho tsa bona, but let them do their own thing. Before we got saved, re tletse strata le rona, we know how they operate. Ara tlogela strata because re di pari, re tlogetse di strata because we are family men, we are now grown, we've got a legacy to live. Ara tlogela strata because re tshaba pari tsa bona. So that's a story for yourself. If we really mean business, Rona honorable men of South Africa, we won't be ruled by lawlessness here in this country. Raka sto utlwa ka diparinyana tse tsa bona tse kanang dinokeng. Raka sto utlwa ka makintsanyana a bona. Raka sto utlwa ka di drug dealers tse tsa bona. If re tlhalefile in South Africa as men and we stand up. Mara because ba tseba gore bana le target market, bana le stoko, se ba ilo stholang ba fitla go tlapong. It makes them even lose their minds. Because I lo roof a shapa di heist. O na ganne gore tshwentse ilo impressa bo Nthabiseng go tlapong. A tlhape matsogo ka di Hennies. He knows that he's got a stock, he's got a target market waiting for him. These are the very same women who even hide drugs for them. If you go check his house, relo check or when the woman will be the one hiding their drugs. So these girls are the ones basinyang country ya rona because they're the ones who promote this nonsense. Then Rona, we must reason with your man. You are the one hiding his drugs. The woman is the one, South African woman, hiding drugs South Africa. She's the one parking the drugs Pari. But the very same woman telling us to talk to their men. They give them kids, planting an even corrupt seed in them. They give birth to corrupt seeds. They're letting this corrupt seed be planted in them. Baby mama we are not afraid of Paritsa Banaba. And if these girls nabali smart, it would be very easy to deal Libon and take South Africa to become the country that it's supposed to be. And I'm pleading to Masole, our generation, as we are not the pastors but back then. But never equal Kodi King, Barbona, worship Halifax, Copa Copan. This is South Africa. And we've got children in this country. And we cannot leave this country as old men in the hands of such people. We are the ones who are going to sort out this country. Mara cherita tshwentse di sebedisane le rona because ntho tse baya aba di ondoi bana. Aba first time go rgwetsagalang. Ke rona is magrotman at this country, a re ka lokisang this country. Re change narrative, re tlo golo ikwalla ko di kerekeng and go straight and spread such messages. Gore cherita di phaphama re tla tlo senya country because bona ba fana ka spatch sa bona. Ke bona ba senyang country. Behind every nonsense ya munna, there's a woman promoting that. Are babying zokumela. There's a woman supporting that nonsense. Munna athweli matla aw fella from nowhere. There's a woman who says ngizokulinda baby, ngizokuvulela ngo-12 mawufika. Mawufika ngale atlama le yathi zoyibaraka. Bona cherita nzi talk to men. Once bare justice for mangmang, abare child uri mtho na jola le mang na etsang. Tsetsa bosigo tse. Tsetsa bosigo tse. Tsetsa di 4 AM tse. Ba tletse strata le makins. Ba tletse strata le banna ba tlhapa matsogo ka di hennes. Then we must stand up and talk to their men. When we gave our lives to Christ, we became men who understand scripture. Not baruti ba balang di verse as a character ya Jesus Christ is jwa. I urge every man to read the Bible. You will become a superhero even in your communities. Because hauna parinya na e ketsa clever to etsaba. And a ruler rich or banna ba bona ke di cowards. They go for the weakest link. Ke bumanyonyoba. Ngeke ba siqonde ngo. Bayanyonyoba. Awubula fela awunyonyobela. Akasu lathi director asilo singamadoda sibhekane kanje. Ulo unyonyobela, ulo uthunya sambani uli batla ka dikhona banyonyoba batla ba bayiphihlile. They won't face anyone direct. There's no man who does crime who is not a coward. They are all cowards. Abumanyonyoba. Mawusinyonyobela sizovuka ezulwini vele. Mawusinyonyobela sizovuka ezulwini unyonyobile mos. You didn't accomplish anything. You will remain a coward. Uzohlala uyi coward. You didn't accomplish anything. Kafela bona dinkabi banyonyoba. They remain a coward. How can check a life young kabi after 10 to 15 years? I don't fokoletsa lang mo. I accomplish a fokol. I don't kabi pilang soft life. Banyonyoba. Sizovuka ezulwini thina manje sinyonyobela. I don't even see anything awunyonyobetsi. Kivele kutsoga ko heaven fela. When you remain a coward forever. But we urge you to come where we worship ninganyonyobi. Hayi ndizophuma ngigijima bafana. Halo buclever benu. Come to where we are worshiping. Hayi ndizophuma ngigijima. Uzolbiza igama la mama akho.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. South Africa is sending a message to Mandombatana Mzansi saying ukuthi you cannot go to Groove without money and think ukuthi uyofika uthole bantu lena bakuthengele utshwala uphuze utshwala babo and then ubaleke. Bathi nje nani iyekeleni lento leyo because if niqhubeka with that mentality ukuthi hayibo sekufuna ngimuke naye ngenxa ukuthi nginathe utshwala bakhe, you guys are still gonna cry, nisatoshajwa, nisatobulawa, nisatodlengulwa, abantu batolala nani ningafuni because uthi umuntu unathe utshwala babo. We know vele ukuthi into le njalo iyaphila whether we like it or not, whether siyabablame sithi hayi babantu lababi to avoid ukuthi esingade gcine sethenkingeni. Let us stay safe, asidlaleleni ekutheni nasematshwaleni uma start ukuthi asinamali. If uthathi nje ukuthi awunamali ungayitshwala into uthi uzofika uthole Father Christmas akuthengele utshwala. This is the truth. Unfortunately, it's the sad truth, brutal truth. Kasana ayinajika nakhona le xoqisi. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.